What does it mean to live with unbearable, lightning-like facial pain? Imagine that every 4 to 5 minutes, your face is hit by an electric shock. In 2025, Bollywood superstar Salman Khan opened up about exactly that, a long, grueling battle with trigeminal neuralgia, often called the suicide disease. So here's how it started. Salman revealed that his symptoms first started back in 2007 on the sets of Partner. He said that during shooting, when Lara Dutta moved a strand of hair across his face, he felt a sharp pain, and that was when it began. And guess what? He called it the worst pain, saying you would not want your biggest enemy to have that pain. For 7.5 years, he endured this torment. He described pain episodes happening every 4 to 5 minutes. Eating breakfast took him nearly half an hour. Each bite was agony. Painkillers often did not help. Initially, doctors thought it might be a dental issue, but when they noticed the pain worsening with drinking or light touch, they suspected a nerve problem instead. Finally, Salman underwent an 8-hour gamma knife surgery to target the affected nerve. Amazingly, post-surgery, he found relief with the excruciating pain. Even today, despite these conditions, Salman continues his work. So what exactly is trigeminal neuralgia? This nerve carries sensory signals, pain, temperature, and touch from the face to the brain. In TN, part of this nerve gets irritated, often due to compression by a blood vessel or other causes, leading to episodes of electric shock like pain in the cheek, jaw, lips, or around the eye. These episodes are often sudden, brief seconds to minutes, can be triggered by routine things like chewing, speaking, brushing, even a light breeze or touch. He recalled that during surgery, screws were affixed and the procedure lasted 7 to 8 hours. Salman's openness is powerful. Many people with chronic nerve pain suffer in silence. His story shines a spotlight on an often overlooked condition. Pain is not just physical, the emotional and psychological toll can be severe. Early recognition matters, as misdiagnosis, dental or sinus issues is common, delaying proper care. For viewers who might themselves be suffering, if you experience sudden facial pain, don't ignore it. Seek medical evaluation. It might be more than just toothache or sinus. Awareness, early diagnosis and expert care can make a huge difference. This is Bhavya Gulati from The Health Site.